You asked, how to divide 6344 by 3 using the long division method. 6 divided by 3 equals 2. 2 times 3 equals 6. 6 minus 6 equals 0. Bring down 3, making 3. 3 divided by 3 equals 1. 1 times 3 equals 3. 3 minus 3 equals 0. Bring down 4, making 4. 4 divided by 3 equals 1. 1 times 3 equals 3. 4 minus 3 equals 1. Bring down 4, making 14. 14 divided by 3 equals 4. 4 times 3 equals 12. 14 minus 12 equals 2. The remainder is 2. The final result is 2114 remainder 2.